So here we're going to look at snapshots. Snapshots is a function that's on the map toolbar, and it's indicated here as an icon that you can click onto and ask to do snapshots. So we have up to 10 snapshots that we can use, and these are like screen captures of certain areas that you may wish to go to immediately to look at, whether there be incidents, areas on the map. So I'll just show you how this function can actually work. So first thing we'll do is we'll just move the map slightly, zoom in slightly, like so. And we want to make this our first snapshot, looking at the overall picture, overall AOR. So we can click onto the snapshot icon on the map toolbar, click onto this, select whichever number we want. In this case we're going 0, and it will come up with a small box indicating, do you want to give this a particular name? So in this case we're going to delete out. It is case sensitive, so we're using capitals, and we're just going to say AOR, area of responsibility. We go OK. The software will now remember this position. So if we zoom in, and we look at the units here, and let's say we want to go to the decon site. Let's have a close look at the decon site. Since we're there, there's where we set up our decon sites. There we go. So in this case we're going to select number 1, and we're going to again give this a name. Just in this case I'm just using upper and lowercase just to show you that you can use that, and go OK. So now what we can do is, if I want to go back to the AOR, click onto here, ask it to go to the AOR. It will then zoom out to that snapshot of the AOR. If I want to go to the decon, it will then take me to the decon site. I can also use the keys on the keyboard, because if you look at the function itself, you'll see that now O is used for AOR, 1 is used for decon. So I can either click here, or I can just use the keyboard. So if I press 1 on the keyboard, it'll automatically take me there. So as I've already indicated, we can do this up to 10 times. We can also change if we want to change and use a different location. So let's say we want to change the AOR from the picture that it is now. Then all we have to do is zoom into what we want the new picture to be. So we'll now say that's going to be our AOR. And then we go Control 0. And that resets it. Do we want to keep the same name? Yes, we do. Go OK. So now we can go here. And if we go back to here, it's now onto the new snapshot that we made. So We can, like I said, do as many as we want, whether it be incidents that we're interested in quickly going to, or whether it be unit locations or key points, whatever it is. As an operator, we have that capability to name the snapshots and create the snapshots directly from the map.